Hi, and welcome to Low Carb Cocktails. I'm Frank. If you've seen my last video, how to make your own low carb, sugar-free, and I didn't mention it then, but zero carb coffee liqueur, you can check that out right here. Today we're gonna do the quintessential coffee cocktail, the White Russian. I would do a Black Russian, not a fan of black coffee. Gotta have a little creamer in mind, something like that. So we're doing a White Russian. But before I get started, if you'd like to learn more about making cocktails keto-friendly and low carb, click the subscribe button. Hey, and don't forget the bell icon, because that'll tell you every time I put a new video out. So let's go ahead and get started. White Russian, super simple, 3 ingredients, build in the glass, good to go. So let's get started with that. In a rocks glass, you will need rocks, hence ice. All right, next you're gonna need vodka. Yes, we'll be using JT Melik. Where we got? So we're using 2 ounces of JT Melik vodka. And I personally find that JT Melik adds another little nuance of a body to it because it's not over distilled where you lose the flavor of the grain. You've seen all my videos. You can check the review video out here. And that was done before I partnered with them. So let's get a disclaimer out there now. They're not a paid sponsor of this. They did provide me with a bottle of vodka, but they're not actually a sponsor of this. So next, we're gonna go with our coffee liqueur. Yes, if you watched my last video, this is it. This is the homemade zero carb coffee liqueur. I call it my low carb Kahlua, mainly because it's got a rum base rather than a vodka base. And that's gonna be your difference between and a little bit more here. Haha, I have to clean that up. All right, and from there, the next thing to make it a White Russian is heavy cream. Keeping it keto, of course, we use heavy cream, and that's gonna be a 1/2 ounce. So a 1/2 ounce of our heavy cream. So I'm gonna go ahead and give this a little stir. And do 1/2 ounce of heavy cream float on top. Now, my coffee liqueur is not as dark as a Kahlua would be, mainly because how I did it. This is a super easy, super fast coffee liqueur where you don't only have to let it steep with grinds or beans or instant coffee. Just use your brewed coffee that you had in the morning and what you got left over. So let's go ahead and give this a taste. Let's blend this up a little bit more. Man, that's absolutely perfect. Just how I like my coffee, hard. Absolutely delicious. All right, guys, this is, like I said, super simple recipe. 3 ingredients, vodka, your homemade coffee liqueur. Don't forget, I had that recipe on my other video, and some heavy cream. And just with the heavy cream is the only carbs in this cocktail because there's 0 carbs in our homemade liqueur, homemade Kahlua. Yeah, I've had a couple, so I can't say Kahlua and liqueur because at the same time it don't work. So, but this is gonna be with a 1/2 ounce of heavy cream. It's gonna be less than 1/2 gram of carbs, 0.4 to be exact. So 0.4 grams of carbs and an amazing, delicious White Russian. Ice too. All right, guys, thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a great day. I'm on my way to having a great day too. See y'all later.